All right, so real quick, I took two EU trades today. I'm running in one right now. So here's my confluences real quick. So on the daily, we have this daily fair value gap right here. We tapped into the consequent encroachment of it, which is like right over here at this midpoint of the fair value gap. And then on the Dixie or the DXY, I don't know why I started calling it Dixie, but it's the DXY. Anyways, it tapped into there. So when it started rejecting off of there and it started going up on EU, my thought process was okay. I think EU has had its long run down, so I think it's time for it to, retrace and to come up into some liquidity. So yeah, this is my currently drawn liquidity right now for EU, but I'm gonna get into that later. So reason why, so I took this trade right here. When it respected this PD array or fair value gap right there, I got in long after it broke even more structure, so I got it right there, and I put my stop loss right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that stop loss was kind of stupid, because that creates internal liquidity. But don't at me, okay? Really, it should have been down here, but it doesn't fucking matter. I thought price was gonna go up, so that's one of my main problems right now is looking at is waiting for proper market structure shifts to occur and for a price to play around and accumulate and manipulate and do whatever it's going to do. Okay, so that's what I'm currently working on right now, and I fully acknowledge it. Okay, so I took this losing trade right here. I'm not going to lie, the entry was kind of stupid, but I just wanted to catch a good wave, and I thought this was going to V the fuck out of this, but this is the last time I trade V's. I've never, every time I see this V price action right here, I always get stopped. So that's my last trade. I'm trading that. So yeah, and then the trade I'm currently in right now. So I waited for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and price decided to play around a little bit, and then market structure shifted right here. I consider this some MSS. What the fuck? MSS right here. So yeah, that's kind of cool. This right here, and then when I did that, it came back into this fair value gap right here. I'm gonna delete this real quick. Came back into this fair value gap right here, and once it did that, I said, okay, I'm gonna long it right here. Okay, I got into a long right there. You could have waited for this fair value gap. Got a lower entry, less pips to catch, but it's okay. And I'm in that right now. I thought I was gonna get stopped right here. I'm not even gonna lie, but the trade is still running. It could possibly even come a little lower. I prefer not to. I prefer it to just blast off right here. But yeah, that was my two trades for today. And yeah, so something I'm definitely working on right now is being patient, waiting for market structure shifts, and getting a good entry. Okay, fuck the entries. Honestly, I'm thinking about the wrong stuff. I need to get good at being patient for waiting for market structure shifts to happen, to occur, and stop being so scared on taking the opposite of your bias. Because for today, I was bullish on NQ and ES and YM because it was grabbing lows. Okay, it was grabbing lows. I was also still aware that it could bounce off of fair value gaps and shit. So that's why I didn't take any longs. I was gonna go in long right here, but I saw on the 5-minute there was a fair value gap right there, and that could have held. At 10:20, I was like, this fair value gap could hold, so I'm not gonna take it. Okay, so that was my thing, and yeah, so I need to stop being scared of that and just take your trades, bro. If you see a good setup, just take it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with losing on a good setup, as long as your narrative and drawing liquidity is correct and your logic is correct. I think that I'll be good. So yeah, those were today's two trades. So I hope you learned something out of this video. Peace.